How to import Photon private key to Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So assuming that you made a mistake and you forgot your private key when you first create an account in Photon, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your profile over here on the top right, and you're going to click on wallet management. Over here, you're simply going to click on generate wallet over here. Then click on generate, and you should be able to get your address and private key. You're simply going to copy those, and you're going to open your Phantom wallet over here, and you're going to click on your account. Click on add or connect wallet. Then you're just simply going to import private key over here. So simply paste your private key, then give it a name, click on import, and you should be able to easily import your Photon into your Phantom wallet. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. It's very straightforward. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.